you ready for a little apartment tour? Let's do it. Hi, welcome. Come on in. Jojo, who's that? We got some visitors. Come on in. Welcome to my Uptown Charlotte studio apartment. So, I guess let's start in the kitchen. So, a studio apartment is one room, so I have my living room, kitchen, bedroom, all in one. Part of the reason why I chose this apartment in Uptown Charlotte is because of the appliances. So I moved in here about 3 years ago, and it was still under construction actually when I found this apartment, and I got a really good deal on it, so I knew that this place had potential as soon as I saw it. But the appliances were new, and you got your microwave, oven, and this is a Ninja air fryer. Love this thing. It gets used a lot, but literally folds down. You could do air fry, roast, broil, bake, everything on there. Got this little herb garden poster. So here I got a little propagation. You'll see in a second that I really love plants and I love propagating them because it's so fun to watch them grow little roots. This one is doing pretty well. Then we got the sink, love my sink, it detaches, all that jazz. Got another plant here, a little fake plant here, and all of this is just storage for dishes. I use this as my spice cabinet, but pretty decent amount of storage for one person. Then we got the dishwasher. I actually have some stuff in there right now, but I put little photos on there and everything. I've got this plant in the most random spot ever right now, but it is doing pretty well right there. I'm about to move it, but this is some type of monstera. I love my little fridge. My cousins drew me this photo of Lilo and I, and it's super good, and my cousins are super talented when it comes to art. But I love my fridge because I collect magnets from the places that I've been. So I got Texas, Tulum, Chicago, Myrtle Beach, Japan, Costa Rica, Mount Pisgah, and then I have like a photo collage of all of my loved ones and people in my life. And I actually got the idea from one of my neighbors. I saw her have these little home magnets, and they're linked in my storefront actually, but they're perfect for putting photos on your fridge and making a little collage and having art in the kitchen. This menu is so cool. I did like a restaurant tasting with my friend Regina, and all the chefs signed it at the end of the night. I thought that was the most amazing thing any restaurant has ever done. So shout out, Kawa. Laundry, which I have a load in right now. Onto the living room. So this is my living room. Welcome. You've got the gorgeous view of Uptown Charlotte, and that's what sold me on this place. Honestly, when this place was empty, it felt so much smaller than when it has furniture in it, which usually it's the other way around, but I actually feel like the space feels like bigger with the furniture in here. We'll start in this corner, I guess. We got a photo of my mommy and I from a while ago. Love you, mama. Then I got my pothos plant, my watering can, a geode. Each and every item that I've gotten is either from someone, means something, or I have a story behind where I got it. For example, this is from my friend AJ. He moved out of his house and didn't want this, so we took it. Here's another propagation. The water could definitely be changed. Like I said, there's a pattern of propagations. This is the IKEA TV stand. It's one of the build your own TV stands, so you can pick out the shelves, the outside, and this is how I put mine together. There's some Philip Hughes lights that are inside and around the TV, and those are also linked in my storefront. And then I just decorate the top with a bunch of my plants. This is my money tree from my girl Layla. I love this one. And I got a snake plant, the baby of a snake plant from a little piece that fell off. And then I got this cute little nightlight thing, and it changes colors, and it's from Amazon too. Then I have this orchid. Me and this orchid have a special bond because it has bloomed and re-blossomed and fallen off and re-bloomed tons and tons of times. Whenever it blossoms like this, it stays like this for weeks, and I love this thing. Look at the beautiful colors. And for those that use ice cubes to water your plant, I don't recommend it. What I do is I just take it out and I water it all the way through, wait for it to dry, and put it back, and that's what's kept it alive. So, I mean, I'm no plant expert, but it works. Then I have this little photo with Ivy, one of the dogs that I dog sit almost every day. I love her. I'm gonna miss her. This is one of my all-time favorite plants right now. It's a bonsai tree and I'm just obsessed with her. I don't know. She's so cute and little and looks amazing on my coffee table. Very proud of her. Real bonsai tree right here, okay? Got it from Lowe's. Here I got a bunch of more plants and just knickknacks. My mom made me these cranes, an old skateboard that I got a few years ago. I got a couple cactuses, this yoga lady. I think I got her in Elkin, North Carolina. Some weather cubes that have like clouds in them. These are super cool. And then this is the big monstera. So all the little monstera propagations that you see, this is the mama plant of it all. And it's from plants.com. But yeah, this has been the TV and plant wall. I definitely have a little obsession with squishmallows. I never thought I would be one of those girls, but these things are super comfortable, so I totally get the hype. And this Snorlax right here, so comfortable too to just cuddle up with. Then I got this little strawberry pillow from Target and a couple blankets. This is from Delara, this is from UNCC, and this is from Target. And this is the living room. Moving on to my coffee table. I love this coffee table. Shout out Josh because he put me onto this. But I like it because it's glass top, so you get the nice little sleek finish. But you can decorate by putting whatever you want in here, and you can see everything, stay organized, and decorate it however you want. Right now I just have my jewelry plate because I'm always taking off my jewelry and just putting it wherever. So it's good to have a little spot for it. I have my business cards, my camera case, a little plant, this cute little kitty. I believe I got this for Christmas one year from one of my family members. Then I got my laptop, my little notebook from Target, my sunglasses, my Lilo and Stitch figurines, my favorite. I got this little geode and my digital camera. Obsessed with it. And it's pretty affordable too. It's on Amazon. Moving on, we've got another plant propagation wall. These are both linked under my Amazon storefront as well. Some of this art is just accumulated from different things. This was a gift. This was a gift. This is from TJ Maxx or Marshall, surprisingly. And I bought this a couple years ago. I can't even remember where I bought this, but I love this skateboarding poster. Just like that, we're in the bedroom now. So I have my bed. This bed I got off the Facebook Marketplace, and it has some storage at the foot of the bed. Super comfortable. I love this thing, and Jojo does too. The mattress is from Dream Cloud. I've got a little Hatch alarm clock. Got some more plant propagations right here. They actually need some water. But then I have this art wall, and all of this art has been accumulated over time, and it all has a story to it. That's what I love about an art wall. My friend and I were just talking about this the other night. I feel like an art wall tells you a lot about the person, just what they're like, and yeah, it tells a little story. Maybe we can get into it another day. Or should I get into it now? No. Then here we've got a Samsung Frame TV, also linked, but usually this has art on it. Should I turn on the art? It displays art and whatever you want on it, and also functions as a TV. Obviously, I used it as a computer monitor sometimes. Also linked in my storefront, but literally this is a game changer. I want to get a little frame for it one day so it really blends in with the art wall, but super cute. Now, honestly, is the strangest part. You're gonna come with me through the closet to the bathroom. Next is the bathroom. Nothing crazy. This is where I brush my teeth, get ready, my hair. Speaking of which, I'm gonna put my hair up real quick. Boom. Little updo action for ya. Here I got my little acrylic shelves. These are from my TikTok shop showcase, and I love these. I feel like being able to see everything visually helps me out a lot, and I'm able to just pick out what I need and yeah, do my thing. I got a decent amount of storage at the bottom. Then I have another mirror here. I got the shower head and shower shelves from Amazon as well, and like I said, I'm moving, so everything's kind of emptying out in here. But that has been the bathroom. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my studio apartment in Uptown Charlotte. I have loved living alone here for the past few years. I don't know if I would necessarily recommend the exact building or location, perhaps, but this place has definitely served me well, and I've loved the views, being able to see, sports events, fireworks, waking up with the sunrise, seeing the sunsets, and this place at night too. I'll insert a clip here. This place at night is beautiful, and I love seeing the Charlotte skyline light up. If you're new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be posting way more content. I don't even think I introduced Lilo and Jojo. We got Lilo and Jojo. They love it here. Right, Lilo? Thanks for stopping by. Subscribe for more, and we'll see you in another video soon. Bye.